Video I will tell you that how to turn your Facebook profile into digital creator profile. So first of all, you need to open up your Facebook and make sure that your Facebook app is up to date. You can go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, and from there you can actually update your Facebook app. So once you update your Facebook app, you need to open up your Facebook app, and then you will tap on your profile image at the top right, and then you need to tap on your name here. And now here you can see that my account is a digital creator account. Okay, so this is not a Facebook profile, this is a Facebook page. So how you can actually do this? So you need to tap on these three dots here. You will find these three dots here, and you need to tap on it. And here is it says turn off professional mode. Okay, turn off. So in your case it will say here turn on professional mode. So you need to tap on turn on professional mode, and once you do that, your Facebook profile will be converted into a digital creator profile. Okay, so what is the benefit of this? The benefit of this is do that you can actually earn money from your page by uploading reels on Facebook. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.